Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is India adds 4 new Ramsar sites. India has added 4 new Ramsar sites, bringing the total to 89, reinforcing its status as Asia's leader in Ramsar sites and the third highest globally. The newly designated sites include Sakara Kotai and Therthangal bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu, Khecharopalri wetland in Sikkim, and Udva Lake in Jharkhand. This edition marks the first Ramsar sites for both Sikkim and Jharkhand, emphasizing India's commitment to wetland conservation. With 20 Ramsar sites, Tamil Nadu now leads in the number of Ramsar sites in India, further solidifying its role in wetland preservation. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new batch for the IAS JS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Importance of Ramsar sites. Ramsar sites provide crucial habitats for migratory birds, fish, and other wildlife, helping preserve ecosystems that regulate floods and purify water. By conserving these wetlands, India aims to maintain ecological balance, safeguard natural resources, and promote awareness about the importance of wetland ecosystems in mitigating environmental challenges. The addition of these sites boosts India's contribution to global conservation efforts, promoting international recognition for India's ecological management. The government's ongoing efforts to protect wetlands demonstrate India's commitment to sustainable development, biodiversity conservation, and climate resilience. World Wetlands Day. World Wetlands Day is observed on 2nd February every year worldwide to commemorate the signing of the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands of International Importance in 1971. India is a party to the convention since 1982. India has recently increased its tally of Ramsar sites, wetlands of international importance, to 89 by designating 4 more wetlands as Ramsar sites. With the addition of these wetlands to the list of wetlands of international importance, the total area covered under Ramsar sites is now 1.358 million hectares. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following newly designated Ramsar sites is located in Sikkim? Sakara Kotai, Udva Lake, Khecharopalri wetland, or Therthangal? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.